one and all. Good afternoon to one and all. For the second session of the second day of this FDP on IPR, patent design, trademark and copyright. So for this session, we have a keynote speaker, Honorable Dr. P.M. Pawar sir, who is working as a Dean Academics in Sweris College of Engineering, Pandharpur, and Associate Dean at Punyashloka Ahilya Devi Solapur University, Solapur. So it gives me immense pleasure to introduce sir. He is a dynamic personality who has started and inculcated cultural research with very family, and truly he has made a very foundation as a research institute. Today sir is going to give session on design thinking. Briefly talking about sir, he has completed his M.Tech in structural engineering from Indian Institute of Technology and PhD in aerospace engineering from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, and postdoctorate from Aerospace and Information Engineering Department from South Korea. Sir has received Young Scientist Fast Track Grant from Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, received Best Doctorate Thesis Award from Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, Best Teacher Award from AICTE, New Delhi, and Best Teacher Award from Punyashloka Ahilya Devi Holkar, Solapur University, Solapur. Sir is member of American Helicopter Society, USA, Institute of Engineers, India, Indian Society from Technical Education. Talking about the publications, sir has published more than 100 papers in national and international journals and conferences. He is having Google Scholar citations as 1439, H-index as 21 and I-10 index as 33. Sir has published 4 patents and developed various innovative products which are useful for the society. He has guided 6 PhD students and currently 6 students are pursuing PhD under his guidance. He has guided more than 20 students for post-graduation, received research grant of more than 4.5 crores for 6 projects and received consultancy of more than 2 crores. So, CML level 5 certificate in management and leadership from UK. He has travelled various countries for attending international conferences and study tours like USA, France, Switzerland, Italy, China, South Korea and Dubai. So it is very difficult to introduce sir in a short period, but we have tried. So we welcome you sir for this session. We thank you for accepting our invitation. And now I would like to request sir for next procedure. Yes, sir.
Thank you. Can somebody respond? Whether audio is coming? I guess online audience are less. Hello.
Yes,
That was coming.
sorry.
This voice is. Hello. Hello. Hello.
This audio. Live audio.
ये तो क्या बात है? आवाज बढ़ा दे। Hello. That's fine. Okay. Good afternoon. So let me present design thinking and its applications. So by now, most of you have some or other background of design thinking, but I have been giving same talk maybe almost from 2023 years. At least 30 times I have presented this presentation, and so I feel I am more proficient at least with respect to these slides. So this I also give background of our institute, but most of the audience is from Sweden, so I can skip. These are our trustees and our colleges, and in our institute we started implementing a concept of village, that is best of city in a village, and that's how we started applying it technology or technical knowledge for societal development. And another project we handle, that is how high-speed internet connectivity can be used for the societal development. And in the process, we have used a methodology where we got the technologies from BRC, and we have done a lot of deployment work of these technologies. And we further created some awareness camp, involvement of self-help group, entrepreneurship development, knowledge generation, and also we involve in these activities our M.Tech and PhD students also. Some of the examples I have added here. You can see like advanced tools like CFD and maybe data analysis, data monitoring, data crunching, etc. has been used for the societal applications. So, and we not only restricted ourselves to solving these problems in Jugaad mode, but we also have published the patents and publications. We further created a kind of culture where the way we have taken the inspiration from the advanced knowledge partners like BARC, etc. So we also have tried to become advanced partners of some other members. So we help the people in the region. And then, so to summarize whatever societal work we have done, so we divided these problems into short-term, moderate-term, long-term problems, and then we try to identify the solutions. And solutions also we divided into three categories. One is ready to deploy products with region-specific modifications and technology that needs to be developed. So like for example, short-term problems. So if we have a problem which we can immediately solve, that is like we can use a solution which is ready to deploy product. Then moderate time required will be the product which are developed region specific. Maybe some product has been developed specific to Karnataka region, and so most of the technology deployment experience is there. But cultural difference will take place. Maybe management people will understand what is meant by that. So when you bring that product, whatever is developed for maybe Tamil Nadu or Karnataka, if you bring that product in Maharashtra, it cannot be deployed as it is. It will have some cultural differences, so you will have to do some region specific. Am I audible?
So you're out, sir.
Huh?
You're out from the. Given access.
Okay, so what I was trying to tell you is we have to divide whatever problem we get, whether it can be solved in short-term period, usually you can say 6 months to 1 year, moderate period around 1.5 or 1 year to 2 years, and long-term, that is more than 3 years. And what kind of solution, how do we decide, like short-term problem solving means it should have, for that problem it should have ready products to deploy. And then moderate means problem is identified, someone has developed this product somewhere, and that has to be brought in this culture and deployment has to be done. That is called as a problem which can be solved in a moderate term form. And long term, where we know the
Sir, your audio is off. Your audio is off.
should I start?
Audio is off.
Okay. Video should I start?
No, not video, sir. Video already clear. Steady.
Okay. Okay. So then you can see this is, and then how do we involve mostly like our technical groups, full-time workers, and also we use the high-speed internet connectivity. Now, after giving the background of our institute, let me come to the kind of agenda proper or the topic which I am supposed to talk, that is design thinking. So before even we go and start asking what is design thinking, we must understand that where to use design thinking, or can we use it everywhere. So that answer must be given. Otherwise what happens? So I know design thinking, so use it everywhere. It should not be the case. So when to use design thinking? When we are facing the complex challenge. What is meant by complex challenge? When we don't understand problem fully, or we don't understand the problem domain itself. When we don't have the good solution at hand, or when the problem is connected to human behavior, human emotions, or with respect to habits. And when there is a too high speed of development and change in the world is taking place, in that case you have to solve the problem using design thinking. We have to understand that sometimes we make mistake that problem is complex or complicated. Problem may be complicated and may not be complex, or problem may be complex but may not be complicated. So teaching in the class is a complex challenge. It's not complicated. Design of aircraft or design of vehicle or design of a circuit diagram is a complicated problem but not complex problem. Please understand the terminology. Is it clear? So complex. So aircraft design is a complicated problem, may not be complex problem. Teaching in the class, why it is a complex problem? Because each audience has a different requirement. The person in the audience, each one has its own requirement, own philosophy, own background. Some of you may understand my pronunciation. Now, fortunately, we are from same region, so even sometimes understanding pronunciation itself becomes a kind of barrier. So these are the kind of complex challenge. And when facing human-centered challenge, we have to understand that when there is a human-centered challenge, you need design thinking. Next, we must also understand when not to use design thinking. When we understood when to use, now when not. Don't using the processes that are not open-ended. So can we use design thinking in military? Let me understand what is view of China, and let me take empathy perspective of China, and then only I will shoot the Chinese soldier. So no, it's not open-ended. When such, if this, then that, if this, if then that, if this, then that, if such close-ended problems are there, you are not supposed to use design thinking. When the situation is hostile, if there is a fire break, and then Kedure madam says, okay, today I have seen 5 steps of design thinking. And on the first floor, her office is there. Her neighbor is Matpati sir. Matpati sir, how do you feel when there is a fire? Let me design the questionnaire to get the empathy when there is a fire. Is it possible? No. So, when there is an emergency situation, hostile territory, we cannot use design thinking. On the other hand, if I say how to avoid the fire, or how do we design the corridors, or how do we design the building which will not, or which will be kind of user friendly in case of disaster. So can we use design thinking? Yes. Why design thinking is required? No sir, I am sitting in America, let me design everywhere people are same. Can we implement American solution here for the fire, minimizing the hazard or catastrophe during fire accidents? No. Because human behavior in US and human behavior in India may not be same. For that matter, sometimes human behavior in rural, human behavior in urban, statewide may be different. So we will have to understand that, and for that, it means in the fire situation, who is at the center? First priority will be to what? Saving structure or saving life. Life. So first priority is life. And who will save life? Again, human nature. Structure, etc. it's a close. Once we do it. But human nature, if you have not understood and you have created structure. Are you getting it? And that's where user will come into picture, and that's where design thinking will come. And that's how paradigm shift is required. So nomenclature, wording, sometimes we don't give importance when our communication is not good, but language is a powerful tool. It will bring the cultural change as we are discussing about design thinking. So these words are important. We used to do planning. So design thinking says no planning, it's a portfolio. Theory, design thinking says practice, focus on practice. We say power. So instead, design thinking says focus on purpose. Objects, we used to focus on objects. Here it says systems. Means if you see earlier in our Roge sir focus around system, triple P. Now, instead of focusing on teachers or students, what we are, our focus is on systems. Why Sweri is progressing drastically? Because more than its objects, that is building, teachers, students, our more attention is on systems, manuals, HR manual, system manual, whatever, GR, circulars. That's how system is important. That's why if you ask any object, if I focus, will it work? No. That's how you see the overall Sweri brand is improving, rather than what happens if Matpati sir is not there, what happens if Prashant Pawar is not there, what happens if Bore madam is not there. Nothing. System will take care of it. It will be managed. It will not. That's how person dependent. Then structures. Structures means this is the way it should be done. That's called as a structure. So instead of structure, agility. So you are allowed to have flexibility. Then instead of formal education, there is a fast learning. There is a fast learning and conformity. हे असंच झालं पाहिजे. This should happen in this manner. Instead of that, rebellion. What is meant by why this should happen in this manner only? I hope I am making sense. These are not words, but I am trying to put some light in those words. So, what is meant by conformity? If madam says this should happen in this manner, madam should also know why this should happen in this manner. No, don't ask. You go and ask actually. You are killing rebellion nature. How can you ask teacher like this? No, you should ask if you have doubt. Why it should happen in this manner. And then he or she may give convincing manner. Instead of this, usually in my lectures it used to happen. So instead of this, if I solve this, I used to answer, maybe this problem you can solve. So if you create for 100 problem, 100 solutions, you may not remember it, or all my audience will not. You are intelligent student, you may get shortcut, but for my next student it may not be possible. So you should not kill the rebellion nature of student. That's what the design thinking says. So what is the process? Actually there are 5 points, but here it is little bit arrangement is changed. Actually usually it starts with empathy, that is understanding the background, and then comes a brief, then ideate, prototype, and then testing. So here we have few more steps added, that is the select also after prototype instead of testing. So testing and select is same, and then implement, and maybe 2 more steps are added and little bit sequence I have changed, that is implement and learn. Okay. So we will understand each step one by one. It's a define, that is mean by establishing what the problem is. So how do we define what this defined stage should have? So you can create a checklist. Sometimes if you have checklist, see in MBA when we ask what documentation should be there, checklist. Aerospace industry runs out checklists. We have the way Runge sir was telling, what is that? Absent-mindedness. It's not only in teacher, but in every one of us that nature is there. How do we reduce that absent-mindedness? That is checklist. Only thing is we should not forget where that checklist has been given. चिंतू का काय तरी होतं विसरगोळा Chimanrao was a character in Marathi books. So where he used to write what he should not forget, and one day he forgets where that checklist has been forgotten, or he used to tie knots in his cloth and he used to forget why that knot has been tied. Okay. So to avoid those mistakes, human errors, I have added everywhere checklist. So here, do you understand what client is asking for? Sometimes we finish complete PhD, and what was the exact objective of your PhD? We forget. That's why you have to understand what exactly client wants. Does the client understand what they are asking for? Sometimes that is also a problem. I used to get irritated when I had to place some orders. They used to ask, what will be the required frequency of your measurement? After placing an order, after purchasing instrument, after doing first experiment, I realized there is a relation between the data frequency and measurement frequency. what should be greater, measurement or generated data generated frequency? Which should be greater? Measurement frequency, right? So I should get more audio, even though you don't talk. My ears should be eligible to listen whenever you talk. It's not that if you are talking 10 words per minute, my listening ability is 2 words per minute. I hope you are electronics engineers, you understand it. So from that itself, MP3 audio came. No? Do you know that? What is the principle? From waveform to MP3 they did. No? So they did size reduction. How do they do that? Can anyone tell me? Huh?
Interpolation.
The compression, obviously, but what is basic principle?
Interpolation.
That is fine. But on what basis they are reducing the points? You only understand the number some.
Rarefaction, the sound propagating in terms of compression and rarefaction. So those points are compressed. Rarefaction.
But what is basis for that? Which data has to be eliminated? What was the basis for that?
Redundancy.
My listening ability. So the noise, sound which I should not understand the difference between these two. आपल्याला लता मंगेशकरच्या डुप्लिकेटचा आवाज सेमच वाटतो आपलं कान तेवढेच तीक्ष्ण असतं. So the person who is a very this thing, what you call expert in sound and sound quality, he may understand the difference between waveform .wav and .mp3 quality. That's why there is a some kind of number of per minute and all that it is there, no? Frames per minute or frames per second. Are you getting it? So that's how you have to understand exactly what clients want. Do you agree with the definition of term? Sometimes, you want this? Okay, given. Have you understand what client is trying to say? Does the brief have any flaws? Whatever we are writing, can you manage the client's expectation? Like 10 objectives I am writing in my PhD thesis. Can you manage? Is it possible in this much cost and this much time? That is what is required to cover in the definition. So in short, it should have the kind of proper alignment of product, proposition and value. If it is, product is also good, but it is not aligned with proposition. There is alignment of product and proposition and it is not giving value. So it should form product, proposition and value should be aligned. Next comes research or empathy. I am going to tell you few tools also in the process. So there are two ways of doing research or two ways of obtaining. One is primary source and secondary source. Again now.
Space is spoken.
So this is don't get a chance. Can you allow me to share?
Yes, sir.
Is it good? Are you enjoying? Or I am not yet
So you have not joined, sir?
enjoying? It shows as well. Check.
Yeah. Even
Okay. So, what I was telling?
next is
Primary research and secondary research. Once we have design brief, we have to understand. That's why it's like first brief should be there. Usually people say empathy. But what empathy has to be generated, that's why first problem statement should be there, at least in a loose manner, rough manner. Primary source of research is feedback generated during learning phase.
so what you is on.
So there are two ways of collecting the data or information before we start generate the product or system, etc. So there are two ways of collecting the information. One is primary research, that is by directly collecting the data linked directly, and the second one is secondary. For example, understanding demographic background, historic background, market segment, etc. So that's called as a secondary research. We will understand when we will go to the tools for each of this. Third stage is called as ideation. What is meant by ideation? Creating potential solutions. So during ideation stage, design team draws out research gathered and the constraint established during the define stage. So what are the kind of research or ideas we get up during the research stage, and what are the constraints? The information is used to create ideas which to tackle the design brief. Whatever our design brief is written, how to so. So again here comes when we go to ideation stage, we have to recheck, do you understand the brief? Because by getting the secondary information, by reading literature, you will further understand the topic, and that's why we have to understand the design brief. Do you have sufficient research information? You will have to again see that whether we have sufficient information. Which method will be used for the idea generation? That's again very important. I will suggest few methods of ideation. Next comes prototype. Next comes prototype. So what is meant by prototype? Resolving the solutions. So once in the ideation stage is divergent stage. There are processes, convergent stage, divergent stage. Okay? So divergent state means we should be open to ideas. We should be open to ideas. And in the divergent stage, बरं मग परवा दिवशी वगैरे मी मुंबईला चाललोय 2-3 दिवस चालेल हा 21-22 तारखेला Okay, resolving the solution. So when in ideation stage is divergent stage, where we should not stop from generating the ideas. Let hundreds of ideas come. Then here from these ideas we have to choose few solutions. So here you may get one solution, you may get 5 to 10 promising solutions. You may understand one solution for all may not be possible. So you may have to create some kind of groups. For example, if I am designing the fan, ceiling fan, or for that matter in the first phase, air blowing device. Let's say very crude stage. Let's go to primordial stage, and we understand that we were designing the air blowing device so that we will feel comfortable. So someone suggests fan like this, someone suggested wall mounted fan, someone suggested stand mounted fan, someone suggested hand holding fan. So any of the design, whether it is wrong, in that similar to this there may be 10-20 design. Similar to wall mounted there may be 10-20. Similar to standing device 10-20. Some of them will be of high power, some of them may be of low power. So you may be tempted sometimes, oh, all these hundreds of designs are good. Which one should I choose? Then you may say, sir, my fan requirement is that whenever I am going, fan should come with me. With that I may get one of the solutions. But as people have suggested, oh, if we mount there, I don't have to hold my fan like this every time. This is also good. Sometimes you should not scratch all the solution. You should sometimes preserve. But if you have to focus on giving immediate solution, of course you will have to scrap out something. And out of those similar 5-6 10, you will have to create prototypes. And prototypes, once we say, you have a meaning of physical prototype. I guess in our teacher orientation program I had demonstrated what is meant by prototype. Even drama, painting, singing, explanation, PPT, all these are prototypes. So, do you have all potential solutions require prototyping? What elements will the prototype test? What is meant by that? You have to understand for what purpose I am making the prototype. So, I give very best example for selection of proper prototype. So for example, I have to create a prototype of human body. Please understand, create a prototype of human body. So then if you have not understood the purpose of prototype of human body, then you will not be able to, or you will start making complicated all the nerves and flows, and you whole life you will not able to. God has not understood yet our body. What you are going to understand? But imagine if you ask, what is the purpose of making prototype of human body? If someone says, sir, I want to understand if someone rides on the bike, what happens to bike? Please understand last part what I said. What happens to bike? Then what will be human prototype? Take a big stone of 100 kg and mount it on bike. That is human prototype. What is required to, if you have to understand what happens to bike? Or 3 passenger if the bike maran manto na. So make this 300 kg to sit on the bike and ride your bike. That's a human prototype. If I change my design brief, saying I want to understand if human being rides on this bike, what happens to human being? Then now whether that stone will be allowed? No. Now I have to understand what really happens. Then if you again don't restrict, then your prototype will be very complicated. What happens everywhere? If someone says, Puri madam says, when I do bike ride, I have headache. And if she has to understand why headache takes place, prototype will be different. If someone says, I get back pain, Then you will have to design the upper body part and lower body part connected by spring. And then once we connect by mass and spring, what will you get? Natural frequency. And you will have to see whether some of the resonating frequency of bike is matching with my body natural frequency. If it is matching, that means that part of nerve is vibrating. And that's why I am getting back pain by riding particular company of bike. So, can you change your natural frequency? Is it possible to change human being natural frequency? Which one is easy? Whether to change bike or whether to change body? Are you getting it? Someone says, sir, I want to understand mechanics, robotics, humanoid. Then whether that stone model of human being will be okay prototype. Have you understood what is meant by what elements I have to demonstrate? What elements I have to demonstrate? Are you getting it? So if I throw you from here, this building, what will happen to you? That time do I need to model what happens in the inside? If someone wants to happen, what happens when there is a high blood pressure? And that time I am focusing on managing springs of my neck and springs of my back. Is it good? So what is the moral of the story? Purpose of prototype. That's what second checklist says. What elements will the prototype test? What functionality will prototype have? So that also you have to understand. Next comes select, making choices. Okay, so actually it's called as a test also. They call it as a test. Does the design meet the defined need of the brief? Does the design resonate the target audience? Everything is good, but if my audience says, "Sir, लय खर्च केलाय हो." सोन्याची गॅस शिगडी आहे, भाकरी नीट मध्ये भाजत नाही. What is use of it? Sir, I have used this Chandrayaan 3 material in this burner. Ghala chulit. That burner is not giving a required flame to make my roti properly. What is meant by that? Functionality. Satisfaction of audience. It's not resonating. For that purpose, what people do you don't understand. People used to put some kind of, lot of research was done for the, what do you call it? Oven microwave. For doing tandoori in that. But after doing so many things, they were not satisfied. They were saying, when I burn down that bhatti, I get very nice that, what do you call it? This smell of that charcoal. Then what they did, some kind of charcoal powder they added in micro oven. Have you seen charcoal powder micro oven? It's there, you search it, you will not believe. That these kind of notorious solutions will come from design thinking. Customer is God. Can the design be produced on time and on budget? What is the third philosophy? Viability. Feasibility is fine. Viability. Desirability, 3 words you have to keep reciting again and again. What is those? Desirability, feasibility and viability. Are there other factors that needs to be taken into account? The other day I was telling one of the teacher, you look very handsome, your English is very good, your academic background is very sound, all the ingredients are there, but recipe is not good, means my students are not happy. So भारीतलं तेल आणलंय, organic atta is there, but I am not able to make proper chapati. Even gas is with that such an, what you call, ilika stove, and so much lighting and very fancy kitchen is there. But I am not able to do roti. What is use of that? So that is meant by, are there any other factor that needs to be taken account? And sometimes has the client signed off the design, or whether you are going, hey, most of the times old architects used to get irritated, or old doctors. Now people have changed. They have started adopting this design. Customer is gone. Me doctor, I am the doctor, don't ask me anything. I am architect, sir, you see this will be best. You, the architect, will have to give solution 1, solution 2, solution 3. Then customer will say, this part of solution 1, this part of solution 2, this part of solution 3. Somehow again, what will be the repercussions? You will have to show him that fourth solution of his combination is not good. That means even though you are an architect, even though you have to propose design number 3, you will have to get it committed. You should have that art of getting committed what you want through customer. Otherwise, if he says that architect is very good, but he is not listening. पैसे मी देतो, माझं ऐकलं पाहिजे. Implementation, delivering the solution to the design brief. Again, there are flaws, so you have to work on that also. And then the last part, very important, obtaining feedback. If you want to grow in your life, you will have to learn what has excited the customer, what has not excited the customer, during which stage, what errors took place, what was the reason. And that's why after each of the program, heads of the department, even I would say our HR development ambassador, Ore madam, after each of the activity, review has to be taken, feedback has to be taken. What was good, what was not good, where in arrangement things gone wrong. This could have been improved, that could have been improved. This time Rabdi was enjoyed by all the audience. Next time conference, Rabdi only. So all these things, if you will not believe, from 2016, what menu was kind of enjoyed by audience, we have repeated, except Corona we did not give, but we have tried to repeat the kind of food menu also. So once things are accepted, templates are created, so you should, by minor modifications, take it forward so it becomes easy. So let's take a quick example. Already you have seen that, but I am putting it into the terminology of design thinking. So you can see the deployment of solar drying solution. I am not designing the solar dryer here. My design brief is what? Deploy the solar drying solution for improving employability of some self-help groups, women's in my region. So that is my design brief. So you can see how can I create, why this solar drying or drying is required. What are the things in that you have to write, you have to understand. So why drying is important, what are the things required that has to be written. So that will give you kind of design brief. What are the advantages of dehydration or drying, etc. and things we will have to understand. And what are you going to dry? So likewise detailing has to be done in the defined stage. Then research background. In research background I have said drying, dehydration. What are the different methods? Maybe electric drying and all other things, but somehow in the design brief itself we have decided by solar. So some problem already we have kept restriction. Then sun drying or solar drying, freezing drying or vacuum drying, spray drying. That is how, what are the methods of drying. In that if I select the solar, whether direct drying, indirect drying or mixed drying. So you will have to, once we get this research background, you will have to ideate. How do we develop a product in that kind of, what are the processes of drying? Maybe for fruit drying what has to be done, for vegetable drying what has to be done, what are the pre-treatments required, what are the time required. Again this comes from the research brief, and then you will have to ideate some solutions you will get, and then you will have to create prototypes. And you can see here different prototypes we have prepared. Maybe this is a different dryer, this one is different dryer, this could be required for industry. So now this is for home application, this could be for the self-help group, this is a kind of cost we focus. So this is how we, whatever different solutions we got through ideation stage, we try to create the prototype, and next comes the implementation or delivery. And if you see that, if we would have suggested directly dryer, it would not have been possible. It would not have been possible. So we will have to create some kind of training module. We will have to suggest what can be dried on that. So we will have to understand, give them recipe. Then only these dryers will be adapted. Directly you take dryer and think hard what can be done. Be creative. I'm getting it. So all these things, that's how you will understand human nature. Why dryers were not accepted, we understood initial stage. We understood that if we give directly, then so we have to understand for what kind of drying is done in this region. And then you will have to demonstrate the difference of drying, open drying and drying using the dryers, solar dryers. What are the advantages? Maybe some kind of hygiene nature, because there is no direct exposure, there is no direct UV exposure, color retention may take place, or some kind of nutritional retention may take place. So all these advantages we will have to bring out. Those things should be demonstrated, and that's how, like maybe packaging, marketing and all these things, unless until we create a chain of networks, we will not able to create acceptability of that. And that's how learn, the final part is how we can learn, like as we said, why, how and what, which solar dryer was good by drying, what were the critical points, etc. You will have to understand. So like here we have understood that in the feedback what we learned in the planning stage, skill labor, preservation standard, value addition, promotion campaigns are important. Key to success, sales orders are important, cost efficiency is requirement important, awareness and retail customer is requirement, buying quality of raw material is a key part to get the produce. Then what are the apprehensions we are understood, shortage of water in long run, poor quality control is another problem, lack of interest by farmer due to market and poor pricing, and then the strong bonding between processors and exporters is design to market project, etc. So these are the some kind of learning we get, and that's how each and every step of the design thinking methodology is important. Now I have shown you the various steps. So quickly some kind of tools are important. कितनी वेळ आहे माझ्याकडे? Up to 5. Okay, quickly tools. At the research stage, what are the tools? Like what you can focus on identifying the drivers. So there could be 3 words important: drivers, barriers, and stimulation. What is meant by drivers? Are the knowledge and condition that initiate and support activity for which design was created. What will be the barriers? What is the hurdle to accept my design? And what is the stimulation? It's not accepted. People should take name of my product. That's called as a stimulation. Then information gathering in the research stage. Another part is information gathering. How we can gather information? Maybe statistical survey, sampling, opinion poll, questionnaire, quantitative market research, paid statistical survey, questionnaires, or omnibus survey. And then if we gather data and dump it on the manager's head, will it be useful? No, that data has to be present. So you have to understand the data to information to wisdom. You have to travel the path in this manner. That is, in the first phase, what is our job? Collecting the data from that information and then wisdom. You should ask whatever you get from Google or from someone, at what level that information is there. Is it at the data stage? Is it at the information stage or wisdom stage? And that's how data representation is important. You'll have to use standard data representation techniques. You'll have to use standard data presentation techniques, and then only, otherwise you will die out only in data. I have 10,000 customer data. What are you talking about? What is use of that information? I have collected survey from 10,000 customers, but I didn't get time to read what customers are shouting. So idea generation, next step was idea generation. In that again, what are the different ways of idea generating? Divergence, convergence. What is meant by divergence? Moving away in a different direction. If you have very few ideas, you should say, what next, what next, what next? Convergence, if you have 1,000 ideas, club them, club them, club them. And transformation, no, exact how we can transform. Next, idea generation. Will the design solution be different or similar? Will it stand out or blend in with competitors? कुणी तर म्हटलं, अरे रिद्धी सिद्धीकडे दवाखानाच नाही. आपला रिद्धी सिद्धी on the way to रिद्धी सिद्धी. एक दवाखाना काढू असं चालेल. Or on the other hand, now we have seen the clusters are there. दवाखान्याचा एक ग्रुपच आहे आणि तिथं दवाखाना काय. There are advantages and disadvantages. Sometimes रिद्धी सिद्धीकडे काढल्या जाता जाता आपलं कोण फक्त चालेल पण, किंवा कोणी तर म्हणेल अरे ही डॉक्टर आज नसला तर ती डॉक्टर आहे म्हणून त्या गल्लीत गेलो तर बरं होईल. आपण लक्ष्मी कुठला बोल पुण्यातला शॉपिंगला तुम्ही जाता, आम्ही पण जातो महाबळेश्वरला. लक्ष्मी लक्ष्मी रोडला पुण्यात लक्ष्मी रोडला. तेच म्हटलं मी इथं कुठं तर काढू, किंवा तुमच्या पंढरपूरला पण आहे स्टेशन रोड, तिथं त्या आमच्या कोपऱ्यावर काढलंय सिमेंट रोडला दुकान पुढे, तर ते कुठे जातच नाही त्याच्याकडे. दॅट्स व्हॉट इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ क्लस्टरिंग. And in clustering again USP should be there. Clustering will have advantage, and in that USP, unique selling. Inclusive design. What is meant by inclusive design? Unisex. Have you heard? Unisex. हा चष्मा फक्त मेल साठी म्हटलं तर मेल फिमेल ट्रायजेंडर कुणालाही चालतं. It is inclusive design. गरिबांना परवडेल, श्रीमंतांना भावेल, असं सगळ्यांना. So that aims to increase social equality and ensure that products are Gandhian engineering. More and more in less and less. I don't have to pay more to get more. Cost should be less, performance should be more. That's called as inclusive design. Then theme-based thinking is another way of ideating. Keep it short and simple. That's why I use nowadays. Give me 3 best impactful things what you have done in last 1 year. मग ते चालू करतं स्टोरी सांगायला. No, you have 30 seconds. Introduce yourself. That's called as keep it short and simple. Top down and bottom up approach. Focus. Select only key message element as a focus element. सूरज सरचं डिझाईन आजकाल असतात. आपण पूर्वी रोगे सरचं डिझाईन आणि सूरज सरांचं डिझाईन. मग ती राहिलं घाला इथं ती तेवढा आळं करून त्यात ती पण घालते, इकडचं आळं करून तिथं पण घालते. सूरज सर म्हणते तिकडं बसून दिसतंय का ते? एका प्लॉट मध्ये 100 लोक राहिले पाहिजे. दॅट इज वन डिझाईन. आर यू गेटिंग इट? सो देर आर थीम बेस्ड डिझाईन लाईक पायथॉन फिलॉसॉफी, व्हाईट स्पेस, ग्राफिक इम्पॅक्ट, user centered, TIMTOW TDI. There is a more than one way to do it, and ergonomic, scale, text minimization, inspiration and references. This is another way of generating idea. Resolve, to decide, bring conclusion to end. Resonate. यातलं काय आवडलं तुम्हाला? What is resonating? काय नाही सर. मग काय होतं? Then another techniques mostly we use brainstorming, and brainstorming should have again rule: do not criticize, keep the process manager free, avoid to resolve, work to target, clock watch, let go, be inclusive. मनपती सर मला आवडत नाही. I don't like मनपती सर. So whatever he says, that is not possible. I mean, when I was in student council, we were in part of some party, and our job was to do research and go in. There used to be brainstorming session from left wing and right wing. We were in right wing, and someday they gave me topic Indo invasion theory, and they didn't tell whether to support or oppose. We were supposed, right wing people were supposed to oppose the Indo invasion theory, right? So we searched what 50 journal papers from elsewhere about opposing the supporting the Indo invasion theory. I thought our role is, hey, before going 1 hour they told, oh no, we have to oppose Indo. Okay, next again search 10 paper opposing Indo invasion theory. We presented again, shouted, okay, this as per reference this, as per reference this, as per reference this. So in brainstorming also you can play that role. क्रिटिसाइज क्रिटिसाइज क्रिटिसाइज. पटपती सर सारखंच मला क्रिटिसाइज करतो. That should not. So this is the design. Criticize. What are the critics? Before even he criticizes, तसं नाही. अरे प्रश्न तर आहे. Are you getting it? Tell me 5 good things of this design. Tell me 5 bad things of this design. So these are the way you can even add combing questions. And sometimes what happens, there are personalities, introvert and extrovert. And most of the times, most of the solutions are given by introvert personalities, those who are not able to talk. And who has earned money? Extrovert, these managers. Are you getting it? And that's why the next technique I have told you, scribble, say and slap. No brainstorming. Let people write, stick it and then go and present it. Then you cannot delete it. Is it clear? These are some of the techniques. Value. What value? You should ask. What value will be added by this? Aesthetic, prestige, significance. Inclusion. What is inclusion? Sketching. Can you do it? Maybe presenting ideas in pictorial form. Can you present? Show me picture. Can you present your idea? Thinking in images. Appropriation, paradox, homage, distortion. Various things are there. Personification. It's a very interesting. Visual metaphors. Idea generation. Modification. What is meant by personification? Whether your design is design centric or character centric. Mickey Mouse, that's why I added his picture here. Donald Duck. Do you know who is designer of that? No, there is a design team. No design. Manish Malhotra. मला माहित नाही कसलं डिझाइन असतं त्याचं. But if you say Manish Malhotra, some value. Are you getting it? So that's a character centric or designer centric. Each one has got their advantages and disadvantages. I cannot open a chain of Manish Malhotra in Pandharpur. Whereas it is like sometimes it could be process centric. Let's say like Domino's. Do you know who Domino's चपात्या बनवायला येणारी बाई कोण आहे? Or the person who makes the pizza in Domino. नाही ती कुक बदलला की आपल्याकडे कसं तर हॉटेलची क्वालिटी कुक गेला त्याचा चव नाही राहिली. But Domino's, Pizza Hut, or for that matter all these chain restaurants, they have process-centric things. So process-centric. That's how swearing. Yes, VIT. Now full process. People believe in process. Initially it started person-centric. Ours is both person-centric. Rogesar पण आहेत आणि triple P पण आहे. It's a process-centric as well as person-centric. Visual metaphors. Sometimes, like in Pandharpur, 80% products are named Panduranga Vittala, Pandari Meva, Pandari Chai, Pandari. That's a metaphor. Then modifications. So you can do some kind of intervention, omission, opposition, 2-in-1. So that's another idea. Thinking in shapes is another way of generating idea. Thinking in proportions. I can give you talk about 2 hours on this single slide. But that's why I was asking Madam time. So can I take maybe half an hour extra? Samosa? Is there any difficulty? So thinking in proportions. That's why I give another, how God has made me beautiful. Like I said, talk.
Proportion and body of it.
बॉडी गोल्डन नंबर है ना. सो यू कॅन सी दॅट्स हाव आमचं बोर्ड बघ कसं असतं हे काय आजकाल जरा बघायला 5s to 8 that is it's a very simple you have to use Fibonacci series. I hope every one of you knows 1 plus 2 is 3, 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 8 is 13 and that is n minus 1 plus n minus 2 will be equal to n. Okay, and that's how if you have to take proportionate it will be 8s to 13 or 5s to 8 or 3s to 5 if you want to see. Rule of odd, if you want to focus some item then what you have to have it should be things should be in odd numbers. समजा मला जास्त मान द्यायचा आहे तुम्हाला इथं स्टेजवर बसवताना किती लोक बसवणार 4 बसवले तर सगळे सेम दिसतात म्हणून बघा बऱ्याचदा आम्ही 3च लोक बोलतो किंवा 5 लोक बोलतो. That's called as rule of odds. Is it clear? Then comes rule of third. बघा आता तुम्ही पुढच्या फोटो काढताना you can see you have to divide like this and if you make stand like this your photograph will come. Thinking in color also has some kind of and again sometimes color changes context to context. आता बघा इथं खूप छान दिसतोय कलर रेड कलर आहे म्हणून उद्या म्हटलं मला रेड कलरचा शर्ट घालून घेतो किंवा रेड कलरचा शर्ट थोडा तर टॉलरेट होईल रेड कलरची पॅन्ट घालून घेतो. रेड कलरची एक वेळ साडी चांगली दिसेल रेड कलरचा टाय चांगला दिसेल येते का लक्षात. कलर and again context. So that's how like blue it may have like uniform, reliable, safe, traditional. Pink, passionate, flamboyant, attention seeking. White, purity, innocence, godly, goodness, clinical. That's why mostly I wear white clothes. Black, magical, dramatic, elegant. Green, natural. रेड एक्साइटिंग डायनॅमिक ड्रामॅटिक कुठल्या फंक्शनला चाललं ते पण मॅटर इंटरव्ह्यूला चाललाय लाल शर्ट घालून जायचं आपलं कधी तर शॉक द्यायला म्हणून ते पण असू शकतं इफ यू आर कॉन्फिडंट इफ यू आर प्रेझेंटेबल. मी बऱ्याचदा असं नाव पीपल नो मी बट वेन एव्हर आय गो फॉर आउटसाईड फॉर टॉक पहिलं 1 मिनिट इतकं बोर बोलत असतो मी असं ओपनिंग ब्लास्ट नाही करत एक पहिले 5 मिनिट तर आणि बऱ्याचदा मी इंट्रोडक्शन पण द्यायला आला होतो. दॅट्स व्हाय आय वॉज अवॉइडिंग आय वॉन्टेड बट आय थॉट लेट्स नॉट ब्रेक युअर प्रोटोकॉल. सो स्लोली इट बिकम्स काइंड ऑफ शॉक ट्रीटमेंट. कुठनं येडं आणलंय आम्हाला जादू. बऱ्याचदा शाळेत मी जातो सो आय यूज टू डू दॅट. टीचर यूज टू गेट वरीड पोरं दाखवा करते वगैरे मग हळू मग त्याला पहिला जोक मारायचा चला सगळ्यांनी रुपा द्यायचा जादूचा शो दाखवणार. सो दे so these are the kind of techniques. Then prototyping, I quickly now time is running. You can have prototyping means stories, flexibility, design link. What is meant by design link? पंढरपुरात चालतंय ते सोलापूरला पण चालतंय सोलापुरात चालतंय ते पुण्यात पण चाललं पाहिजे. दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ डिझाईन लिंक. मग पुण्यात महाराष्ट्रात चालतंय ते कर्नाटकात पण चालतंय. सो इज इट ऍक्सेप्टेबल इन वॉट एव्हर इज ऍक्सेप्टेबल इन पंढरपूर. नाही फक्त पंढरपूरसाठी सुरू आय हॅव मेड इट स्पेसिफिकली फॉर पंढरपूर. दॅट्स नॉट ऍक्सेप्टेबल. दॅट्स व्हॉट यू कॅन सी लाईक डॉमिनोज. Design like what I am saying, Domino's, or for they have made it tandoori, what you call topping, no? What you call chicken tandoori topping. It's like they have adapted Indian taste. आपलं ते pepperoni, macaroni. No, pepperoni something is there. Okay. Pepperoni pizza. It's not acceptable here. पहिलं तर त्याचं नाव ऐकूनच काय तर घातलंय म्हणते तसं. So that is what is design adaptability. Then types of prototype, maybe model, printers, dummy, mock-it, किल्ला म्हणतो ना किल्ला. Then sketching, scales, and next comes implementation, format, scales, thinking, etc. Quickly maybe, this is interesting. Take home message. Design thinking and you दोन स्लाइड आहेत बहुतेक ह्या आणि पुन्हा आपण थोडंसं आपण मग ऑनलाइन जाऊया. Take home design thinking and don't ask what, ask why. Okay, asking why is the opportunity to reframe a problem. Instead of accepting given constraint, ask whether this is even the right problem to be solved. This is true in responding to bring or designing a new strategy for a company as it is a striking, meaningful balance between work and life. So you have to ask why instead of what. Make it visual. Sometimes people don't understand in words, so you have to make it. Record your observation, ideas visually. काय म्हणते चित्रकार? अच्छा, जबरदस्त आहे चित्रकार. So that's how. Make it visual. Record your observations and idea visually, even if just as a rough sketch in notebook or picture on camera. So that's why you see designers take a lot of pictures. Open your eyes. This is another habit. If you want to learn design thinking, then open your eyes. What is meant by that? We spend most of our lives not noticing the important things. The more familiar we are with the situation, the more we get it granted. Innovations begins with our eye. What we have to understand, keen observations. That's why I give example. There was a scientist. He told, if you want to become a good scientist, you should be able to test the water from gutter. So he dips one finger and tests it. People try to do that. So what he dipped this finger, madam ne पण थोडं वाटलं. केंद्र मॅडम लक्षच दिलं मी काय होतं. त्याच्या आधीच त्याने थोडं वाटलं. गटराचं पाणी टेस्ट करायचं. So what I did, who has done observation? I dipped this finger and tested another finger.
Why you imagine that?
Are you getting it? So open your eyes. Keep yourself neutral observer. Don't create emotions. Don't create your pre-notion, predefined notions. But I would like to take this one step further. Good design thinkers observe. Great design thinkers observe the ordinary. Make it rule that at least once a day you will stop, think about ordinary situations. Extraordinary, ordinary. Take a second look at some action or artifact that you would look at only once or not at all. या माईक कडे कधी बघितलंय का मी आयुष्यात कसं केलं किती छान आहे बघा असा बोल फिरतो म्हणून रोज येत असतो त्याच्याकडे कधीच बघितलं इवन दे हॅड डिझाईन लाईक आय वॉज व्हेरी हॅपी लाईक थोडा खराब झालाय पण तो असा बोल 360 we have not done this. Build on the ideas of others. Okay, that's another important. Begin at the beginning. What is meant by begin at the beginning? Capacity to create new unexpected ideas, and we use the tools of design thinking as means of exploring strategy. Fail early, fail often. आपण काय करतो आयुष्यात? We are afraid of failing. So you should see how rapidly we fail. Take human-centered approach. Get professional help. त्याला काय करताय? So you should in your team take as many professionals, as many experts as possible. That is, take professional helps. Share the information. Don't forget your internal network. Connect like-minded folks. Leverage insight about consumers using design tools, digital tools to document your project outcomes. Budget to pace information. Kiti budget hai, kiti time hai. You have to see that. You have to understand that. Okay. Then comes blend big and small projects. It's also connected to your habits also. बऱ्याचदा सकाळी उठायचं आहे की आपल्या जास्त पहिल्या हॅबिट्स आहेत दात घासणे, क्लीन करणे, फ्रेश होणे, त्यालाच कनेक्ट करून थोडं 10 मिनिटं वॉक करून यायचं वाटायचं किंवा उलटं करायचं. वॉक केल्याशिवाय दातच घासणार नाही. So that's similar to that. Blend big projects and small projects. Find talent any way you can. So these were the kind of take-home ideas. Now, maybe we have, I asked maybe 15-20 minutes we will use our Miro and we will try to use whatever tools we have learned. Okay, so let me see. You can try it at home. So if you search on Miro, you will see here so many boards I use it frequently. For example, this 5Y template is there. This is one of the tool for idea generating available on Miro. So you can say design thinking. Tools Miro. Design thinking templates. There are templates available. Design thinking templates are available. See, various templates are available. You can see some kind of like low fidelity model. Suppose you have to develop some kind of app, etc. This is another field. DMAG is another. You can see if I use this.
Part of Six Sigma. DMAG is part of Six Sigma.
Part of?
Six Sigma implementation.
Yes. Here also they use define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. So they have created template. And this is 5 Y's is one template. See, last time I took problem that farm solving. So I asked them, what is the problem? I am not able to focus on my studies. So maybe we can take our teacher's problem and shall we do that? Maybe go back. Is there any 5Y here? Here. Okay, tell me some problem and we will try to solve. Maybe professional will be good, otherwise some complicated problem.
Not able to write paper.
Not able to publish journal paper. Okay. First question is why? Why are you not? So how to create question? Why are you not able to publish? Is it visible problem?
Yes.
A paper because, let's say, I will give answer. I am not getting good ideas. I am not getting good ideas. Or any other answer is there?
Not getting time.
Huh?
Not getting time.
Okay. You try it at home. Take care of our children. Why are you not getting ideas because I am not spent. Okay, I am not focused on ideas. Okay, if you write then why are you?
Audio problem.
Audio is off. That's what it So why are you not focused on ideas? Because I am not reading new ideas in the literature. Why are you not reading new ideas in the literature? I am not. I am not. Definition is visible. Hello. Now check. Hello. 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 Okay. Maybe for sometimes. Okay. Let me finish this. Or should I come out and then do that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see. Allow me to share. Hello.
Yes, sir. Given. Given.
Am I audible now?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we had started, those who have missed that, we started with the problem not able to publish journal paper. Then we asked why are you not able to publish paper? Because I am not getting good ideas. Then again we asked why are you not getting good ideas? Then we got answer, I am not focused on ideas. Then why are you not focused on ideas? Because I am not reading new ideas in the literature. Why are you not reading new ideas in the literature? Because ideas are not fascinating. Not fascinating to me. Okay. Then why the ideas are not fascinating? Because का idea fascinating. I am not connected to the root cause of ideas. So your final answer is get connected to root cause of. See, did I put my anything? Framework gave the answer. What was my question? Not able to publish journal paper. So solution is coming something like get connected to root cause of ideas. So find fascinating root cause of ideas. So that's the kind of. So maybe we can try some more tools if we can. Let me see. Is it without sugar? See, this is one more tool is there, idea funneling. Okay, so you can see put, backlog, sprint. Okay, so that is what are the pending ideas and what are the current next doing and done. So you can also, if you have a lot of ideas, could do, should do and must do. So likewise you can divide, like you can write here, and maybe sprint. Next, what are you doing current and what you have done. So likewise this is another board. So maybe we can search here my role. Maybe let's say design thinking tools. Storyboard, like as I was telling you, you create a storyboard. That's also a good thing. And here, what is this? Maybe I find some useful tool, otherwise you can stop. Like product canvas template is also there. You can see here. Name of the product, that's a smart board. Target group, you can see here. If you have some product, like earlier Tamboli Madam has shared, so similar you can create. Then who is the target group, like the users of the customer are schools, colleges, training. And then you can have goals which should be gives similar things like a short goal. These are the outcomes where I took exercises and I share this. Sometimes we should conduct using this. I was sharing this and people have written this. It should give similar feelings that of regular chalkboard. It should display pictures, video animations. It should have sketching and highlighting facility. Then big picture. What is the big picture? The design, user experience, user journey, product functionality, big scenario and all that. Civil engineering companies, you can display building drawings. It can have small animations and something like that. And matrices. I have to stop. Was it good? You have not allowed. So like matrices and product, so such tools are available. You can use it meticulously when you have to develop new ideas, new products. You can see, like, apart from that, you can check my board, and I use it frequently, maybe creating flowcharts, etc., and maybe creating mind map. I can show you examples here. I have created few mind maps. This is for this is an example. Yes, see, this is see, for example, I have designed fishbone diagram. So this is for the our ECICI. I work using this kind of fishbone diagram I have created. And then I try to develop Swedish organization. Like, for example, this various such diagrams for paper also can be created using my own. So this is how we make diagrams for this. Done? Any questions? Otherwise, I guess we have been given a break. You are watching Any questions? Maybe online audience. Anything? No? Then we can close. Thank you for your time and questions.
Thank you, sir, for your live and valuable guidance on the design thinking topic. So really the people have enjoyed it. So with thanks once again for accepting the invitation and delivering the speech. Thank you, sir. I am thankful to all the participants to have active participation. Thank you once again. So tomorrow session will start